You can
if you
keep
change
on
that
increasing
into
it.
item rate, how it helps you? Even though he is going to claim the same money.
Which is unforeseen.
Unforeseen also should be projected here while giving that.
How we can see
You
see
cannot
unforeseen
That is the
See,
design.
if there
Not
is
Delhi
some kind
Metro.
of utility,
Delhi Metro.
different kind of-
I'll give you an example of Delhi Metro. How we did in Delhi Metro unforeseen things. In unforeseen, some schedule of rates in Delhi Metro, they have given some 4 or 5 items. They have given the rates and they only given the rates, not quantity. So if there is the baseline drawing, other than this drawing, any quantity is coming. That quantity in that item with these rates you can claim. I can claim and I can give to the same contractor with my range of rates. Okay, this is unforeseen.
No, item rate which we are talking about.
Unforeseen, I don't know. Unforeseen with scheduled rates. Now another thing is there are non-scheduled of rates. Maybe there is some any unforeseen will come which is non-scheduled also, for which you have to make a new rate also. So like that there are provisions. So but you cannot definitely in any contract you cannot reduce the risk 100%, but definitely by lump sum you can reduce the risk by 95%, 96%. You can reduce the risk of going it beyond the budget. Our more focus. This is planning perspective. Now, before doing this, planning is doing this, but they have to consider some people perspective. They have to take care of, on which whole detour is dependent upon. We are having our product perspective. Yes, we need the detour for our whole construction works, our utility works. But we have to take care of some people's perspectives. What are those? They are having issues with the traffic jams. So whenever we are making any detour, we have to take care of the minimum impact on the traffic jam.
Traffic flow.
Traffic flow.
Yeah.
So we have to
To become a project manager, first I am having the strength of huge experience in the same construction field. So I can write, this is my strength. Second, principles of SWOT analysis.
Okay.
Already the problem is known fact.
Yeah.
There is a chance of, there is a heavy rain and there is a chance of the site getting submerged. Now we will start with the weakness and then come to the strength.
Yeah.
The first weakness is, there are around the first concentration will be the, as we rightly told, the human resources are the precious resources than anything else. So first is 150 workmen are there in the site. Second is, most of the workmen you are specifying it as migrant labor. The problem is the communication. How it can be communicated in the short duration for the making them to evacuate. Third is, category 3 is the high cost equipments. The preference is man, then comes the material component. Just altering, I am just giving the strength, how the weakness can be converted into strength. One is, actually the situation is such a thing, it has been intimated in the day 1 only. The day 2, night only, the situation, the day 2 it starts by afternoon or something. The aggravation takes place and they are projecting night only, the site will get submerged. So proper evacuation plan has to be done here.
Already there.
Once every project, then there should be a project.
It is there actually, and there are evacuation plan which is a normal thing, and there is a crisis evacuation plan has to be done if there is a short duration also. It has to be revisited, and it can't be a normal thing, and we have to come out with, because evacuation plan, fire evacuation plan will have a different say. This kind of flood related evacuation plan will have a different say. The concentration will be, the way of taking it out will change between these two evacuation plans. That is one advantage is the project is 30% only completed. So the loss impact to the project is only to the extent of 30% at present. So it makes us to comfortable zone that the main concentration what we talked about is the existing resources has to be moved out. Another one more advantage, though it is to be taken as serious, but initially the site is near to 15 kilometers from the dam, but family is nearby town only.
Yeah.
There is no specification on that, so I treat it I assume it is outside the site area and not near to the reservoir area.
Yes, okay.
So the family's area is also somewhat, family is not near to reservoir. Then I come to threat. Though whatever it may be a case, it is a short duration only when you are taking as a project. The 2 days time is not as though enough to do all the things. That is a threat. Then there is a possibility of, there is a difference between a rain happening and flood coming and reservoir is getting broken, the boundaries got broken and the gushing of water. The speed of the water level will be, the speed will be more than a normal rainflow. There is a threat, though it is damage to the existing equipment, which are all high cost. We have spent some money.
Only the train will be affected. Rest equipment will be taken. They can be taken to the higher level.
Then re-restoration work.
Elevation, higher elevation.
Restoration work. Main is, as rightly told, the threat is manpower movement. Manpower. Then what will be the opportunity? Coverage of short duration is there, but it says around 10 pickups are there and 2 buses are there and 1 mobile or else minibus is there. So what we felt is better, though we may take it second priority of family, let us push one of the vehicle near to the family area, minibus, so that they can cater to that, because the total number of workmen at the site is 150 numbers. There are 10 numbers of vehicles there, mini vehicles and 2 buses are there. We can cater to around about, this can be sufficient for them to move, make them move.
Okay.
On a single move.
And single move. So transportation, no issues. Hope so. The same thing for equipment also. There may be a chance of some of the equipments may not be in a position to ship, but as a site we might have taken the policies. Insurance policy would have been in place. Manpower movement also will be linked with the transportation. Already enough space is there. So since what we felt is, since the project is 30%, if we concentrate
catchment area is filled with the water, that reservoir is filled with water. So this we are going to first confirm with our meteorological department.
Or Yes, sir.
Immediately, first we'll confirm that, because it's already 12 to 15, it will be confirmed report we can get instead of rumor. Next thing is, since it's a large scale, we are having equipment and machinery, but here the safety things are not mentioned. So we must have some number of disaster management cells, and the Bangalore is very nearby, 100 kilometer only, I think 1.5 hour, 2 hours only. So we will call the disaster management cell. That's the second one. It is the 2 points. We'll first of all immediately will call, and we'll make our plan accordingly how we are going to do it. Now, if we go to the Ishikawa, our main aim is to rescue the man and material, and college money, everything includes in that. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to first we are trying to evacuate people. First we are trying to evacuate the people. Secondly, I'll keep people this side only. And I am keeping all material and machinery this side. So for evacuating the people, how we can evacuate them, since people will be our topmost priority. So we will see the alternatives. What are the alternatives we are having to evacuate the people? The first of all, we are having, as we have discussed in our, immediately we have brainstormed in our team, how many alternatives we are having. So by brainstorming, we are having few alternatives. One alternative what we got is with the our area is around 80 acre area, and that 80 acre area 30% of the project has been completed. So it's all around 24 acre area is completed, and it is surrounded by the valley. So is it possible that in that 24 acre what is completed area can we rescue the people, and immediately we can put those people into 24 acre? So that possibility we will see. So shift that.
अगर flooding चेन्नई जैसा हो गया तो where the water, our own ECC headquarters, it was up to first floor level.
Yeah, first floor.
Yeah, so that's a possibility.
That's a possibility. It's
Okay.
only alternative. We'll
Okay.
see the alternative.
Okay.
That is one.
Okay.
Now another alternative is, the second alternative we are, that our people are, the staffs are available just nearby town. So with their help, with disaster management cell help, and our passenger bus, minivan, these all, if you thought our buses are available. With these, immediately we will plan, and within 1 hour we'll shift, we'll evacuate all the staff, children and people to the nearby town. That is the minimum possible. And also we will call the big buses from the Bangalore, so that by the time we are shifting, first sell to the first buses, first trip to the our nearby town, that those big buses will be coming, and within 4 hours we can shift the whole people to the nearby town, if there is a possibility. If there is not possibility to nearby town, we can go to the, we have to shift to the last alternative, to the shifting to the Bangalore itself. Last one. But definitely there is an optimum possibility for shifting them to nearby town with all facilities working together. This possibility is within 4 to 6 hours we can do that approximately. So this is the plan for the people. Now we are looking at we are having in basically cement bags are there, fuels. Again in for cement bags and fuels, these materials also we can shift immediately to this 24 acre area. Same alternative we are having, and we can see the not only this, we can see the godowns of nearby. Since it is a town, nearby town, these peoples are located in the nearby town. So in that nearby town, there should be some godowns or something that commercially available. So in that godown, we can shift our material definitely. So this also can go to the nearby town. Sending them to Bangalore is not feasible.
And with the help of this 8 trucks they are going.
Yeah, we are having 8 number trucks, so immediately we can shift it to. And within 12 hours is easily to shift. And when we are shifting our equipment, the equipments also can go far ahead to the nearby town for few hours. This is having only one single solution.
And if it is rumor is that whether it is confirmed, rain is a threat for that, and after that you need to alert the people. If any evacuation is required, immediately we have to alert the local peoples and personnel whoever in the area, so that everybody knows during the emergency. Alert the personnel. And according, if any damage is going to happen, overflow or anything submergence, we have to check the possibilities of any diversion plans. If any small diversions we can do it, we can do, and we can plan for a dewatering system if it is a small project like that, and we can try to avoid that of inundation problem. Second possibilities. And second point is evacuation of the large number of families. As told by earlier by teammates, if you see that we are having enough resources of almost having trucks of 8 numbers of excavators, and trucks are there, enough trucks, cars, pickups, everything. We will try to shift first of all the labor, workmen, and those who are migrants. We need to take care of them, and we seek help from the evacuation team by forming the local, by consulting to the local government authorities like fire services, ambulance, NGOs, and we can take help of them also. And we can arrange for the evacuation team, and we'll, by using machineries can be to shifted to the elevated nearby places, and materials
practice பண்ணும்போது ஃபுல்லா போட்டா
Let it be there, let it be there.
Fourth one.
2 point
अब कितना हो गया?
4 हो गया.
4 हो गया
There.
बस
Only 4 points. First 3 from center. 100%.
1 2 போடுங்க 2 போடுங்க
2, yeah.
மொத்தமும் போடுறேன் எண்ணி
இல்ல இல்ல 2
2 dash 2 dash 2
2 correct
2
correct
2. Wow, great! I think he must have thrown lot of stones during college time.
now we have to yes
No ball. No ball.
there is no point.
एक पॉइंट दूसरे को मिल जाएगा.
एक गया 2 गया
0
तीसरा भी गया नहीं तीसरा गया 3 हो गया
सर
3 हो गया
रिस्क अभी थोड़ा
3-0 कर दो
हाँ
ये 2 पॉइंट
हाँ
अरे एक ही हुआ
हाँ
2 ओनली
क्या करें
टीम बी
लास्ट में
इधर से इधर से स्कोर स्कोर ఉండంగా స్కోర్
This angle will give you a good angle.
1 2 3
4 पीछे आओ पीछे आओ पीछे आओ
दो पीछे ट्राई करूं?
दो पीछे ट्राई करो
ठीक है डाल
रिक्स मत लो और एक आगे जाके कर सकते
आगे 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 जा
दस पॉइंट ये भी जाएगा
ये तो होगा नहीं
He can easily put it. He can easily from this area.
3 हो गया ना 6 हो गया एक बचा है
वो तीन दो डाला
हाँ ठीक है डालना है ना
डरा देते
एक रिक्स तो लो रिक्स लो
गुड
80 होगा ना 12
now who is the last team
he is the last
over na no what is the total score
नो don't need the last
team is the